In today's video, we will see how to find the Rheem water heater reset button, location and how to reset. So step 1, turn off the power. So before beginning, switch off the electrical power to a Rheem water heater. This helps prevent electrical hazards while you perform the reset. Step 2, locate the reset button. So locate the reset button on the water heater. The exact location can vary by Rheem model. So consult the owner manual if you cannot find it. Rheem documentation shows the reset controller can differ between models. Step 3, press the reset button. Once you have located the reset button, you can press it firmly according to your model instructions. Do not force the button or touch exposed electrical wiring. Step 4, wait for the restart. So allow the unit a short time to complete its reset and start processing. Some Rheem systems may require additional time before operating assume. Step 5, turn on the power supply. After completing the reset, restore the electrical power supply to the water heater. Rheem instructions specify replacing covers and the insulation before restoring power on models where internal components are exit. The step 6, test the unit. So turn on a hot water faucet and check whether the Rheem water heater is operating normally. If the unit does not restart, display an error code or repeatedly require a reset. Stop resetting it and consult the appropriate Rheem service documentation or a qualified technician. Rheem advises investigating the cause when a safety control has tripped. Goodbye, thanks for watching.